God opened my eyes, and I realized I was about to die trying to faithfully profit.
There, he was DH Air the whole time.
So Balak, king of Moab, sends messengers, elite robes, camels with saddlebags. They say, curse Israel for us. We'll pay in gold. I'm like, let me check with God. Big prophet energy, right? God hits me back with an H-air no. Like, N-O curse, N-O trip, nada. So I tell the messengers, sorry, God said no. They leave, I wave. Then Balak sends more dudes and more gold. You ever hear God say no and wonder if he meant no, or just circle back in 24 hours? This one says, name your price, just curse them. Tell me that's not tempting. Be honest. So I ask again. God says, go, but only say what I tell you. And I'm like, cool. Legal loophole profit arc? She's thrilled. Great attitude for a beast who crushed my foot last trip. I'm not disobeying, I'm just, like, prophet speed walking a divine suggestion. You ever get a yes from God, but still feel like heaven's watching you with the smite button half pressed? Why does the air feel charged? Like I'm being watched by thunderclouds. Next vlog, donkey goes full exorcist. And I find out yes doesn't always mean safe. OW, again! We were M-oving. Why are you frozen like a statue from Sheol? You ever try to follow God and get sabotaged by your own ride? This isn't demonic attack, this is donkey drama. I'm getting humbled by livestock. OMG, my donkey just said, why are you hitting me? What? Did my donkey just hit me with a spiritual intervention?
Then my donkey said, have I ever acted like this before? What's happening?
Then I said, I didn't see you. I swear, I'm sorry. Please don't smite me. You ever think you're obeying God and then see a flaming angel blocking your path with a murder sword?
There, he was DH Air the whole time. My donkey saw him before I did.
God opened my eyes, and I realized I was about to die trying to faithfully profit. And then the angel says, why'd you beat her? I would have killed you and spared her.
My donkey was holier than me for 3 miles. TH3E.
Balak hires me. Curse Israel, I'll pay double. I'm like, sure thing, but I can only say what God says. Spoiler, he wanted blood. From the cliffs I see them, a people blessed, fruitful, set apart. Wait! Did I just bless them? You ever try to curse somebody, but your mouth turns into a divine megaphone of F-A-V-R? Balak says, maybe the angle's wrong. Bro, you can't outposition God. I open my mouth to curse and end up declaring their king. This isn't sabotage. It's prophecy override. Didn't get the coins. Didn't say the lines. Didn't walk away cursed or praised. Just walked. You ever realize God wasn't trying to use your gift? He was trying to own your heart. Balak called it failure. But I think this is the first time I actually prophesied. Every time I tried to curse, he filled my mouth with fire-dipped blessings. She took the hits, saw the sword, and she still walks with me. If you're trying to twist God's word for profit, you're not prophetic. You're playing with divine explosives.
Why are you hitting me?
Oh, W, again! We were M-oving. Why are you frozen like a statue from Sheol?
So I tell the messengers, sorry, God said no. They leave, I wave. Then Balak sends more dudes. And, more gold.
Have I ever acted like this before?
You ever think you're obeying God, and then see a flaming angel blocking your path with a murder sword?
So the king of Moab, Balak, sends messengers, like elite diplomats, cloaks, rings, camels.
There, he was DH Air the whole time.
From the cliffs I see them, a people blessed, fruitful, set apart. Wait.
Didn't get the coins, didn't say the lines, didn't walk away cursed or praised, just walked. You ever realize God wasn't trying to use your gift? He was trying to own your heart.